Okay. I'm sorry. There's just breaking news we are getting right now. The budget has been postponed, in fact, by a day. That's the news that we are getting right now. It is going to happen tomorrow. This this after the death of E. Ahmed. Finally, we are getting a confirmation. We have a call which has been taken by the Speaker, Sumitra Mahajan, and for a day the budget has been postponed. So the speech will be made tomorrow. Remember, this is at the 11th hour. It was an unprecedented situation where yesterday we had E. Ahmed suffering a cardiac arrest on the floor of the House. He was subsequently hospitalized late last night. Unfortunately, he passed away, and now the Speaker, in keeping with parliamentary procedure, has decided to adjourn the sitting of the House for today, since he's a sitting member of Parliament. So the budget will be presented tomorrow. We are going to get Rajdeep Sardesai with us in just a while for more live inputs on that, but that's the news that we can break to you right now. But let me quickly get in a few other words. All right, so we're going to have the budget tomorrow. But other than that, the loans, EMIs, taxes is one thing. I want more money coming in. I also want lesser money going out of my pocket. How is that going to be achieved? Also, because more money has now come into the system post demonetization. That's what we were made to believe, right? And now that's what should be done. EMIs should be lesser for us.
So even the real estate sector actually has to boom, because post demonetization it has actually come down very heavily, and definitely there is an expectation that the EMIs have to come down so that the common man can actually afford to buy a house, and to that extent definitely there is a scope for increase of the interest reduction which can happen actually, and that will make the common man to really look for additional houses as well.
And this is a sector which definitely needs some resuscitation given how much it suffered. But let me get a quick word in from consulting editor India Today, Rajdeep Sardesai, on that bit of breaking news that we are getting. Yes, Rajdeep, what more are we learning? So tomorrow it is budget?
Well, it appears almost certain now that the budget will not take place today. It will take place tomorrow. A senior minister says he has just been informed by the Parliament office that the entire process of budget making, of budget presentation, has to be postponed because of the tragic death of the senior Muslim League MP E. Ahmed, the sitting MP. And as per Parliament precedent, when a sitting MP dies in Delhi, the Parliament proceedings are postponed for a day. They say that precedent is too strong for it to be rejected simply because it is budget day. As per the schedule now, it is likely at 11 a.m. that obituary references will be done for Mr. E. Ahmed, after which Parliament will be adjourned so that the MPs can go and pay respects to him, and the budget can be delivered tomorrow. They say a one-day delay in the budget-making process is something which does not really interrupt the entire process of Parliament, but they would rather stick to the precedent that when a sitting Lok Sabha MP dies in Delhi, the MPs go and pay respects to him.
All right. Rajdeep, thank you very much for getting us that piece of news. Officially, it is yet to be confirmed, but very highly placed sources have confirmed to India Today that this is indeed going to happen tomorrow. Now, thanks for joining us, Rajdeep. Last few comments from our panel here. So, lower EMIs, more savings, lower taxes, right? In the end, that's what we should hear in the speech tomorrow, and hopefully a boost for the sectors that have suffered the most over the last 2 months.
We do want reintroduction of the standard deduction, which is there all over the world, but in India it was there till the assessment year 2005-06. So we want reintroduction because as salaried class, all the income, we are the honest taxpayers. All the income that we get as salary is taxable. While for business people, it's the expenses that they can deduct from the total income. So there has to be some way of compensating for honest taxpayers, and standard deduction is one way where we want it to be rupees 1 lakh. That should be deducted from the total income.
All right, so we are completely out of time on this special broadcast, but over the next few hours and of course tomorrow, we are going to hear, bhaiya, ek filter coffee de dijiye, please. So and of course from Chennai and the rest of the country, also we are going to keep getting you our live updates on the budget as and when it happens, either today or as is seeming more and more likely tomorrow. For now, Thank you very much for having joined us from the beautiful city of Chennai. The sun now high up in the sky. Let's wait and see what happens over the next few hours. For now, from the entire team at India Today, we are signing off. Thanks for watching.